Hello everyone, Honorable Mr. Vicky, the lecturer of Accounting System course. We are second semester students from the Accounting Department. Today we would like to present our analysis of a journal article entitled Assessing the Effectiveness of Accounting Information System in the Era of COVID-19 Pandemic. Through this presentation, we aim to explain the key points, findings, and implications of the article. Let us introduce our group member. First member is Segita Griselda. NPM number is 2401 3010020, and the second member is Mariska Julfianti. Number NPM is 240130100007. And I am Salwa Pakwita Dametri. NPM number is 2403010017. And fourth member is Cindy Azara, and NPM number is 240130100026. And the last or fifth member is Yelira Enubi. NPM number is 240130100418.
In today's fast-changing digital environment, accounting information system (AIS) have become essentials for businesses. By integrating accounting and information technologies, AIS delivers accurate, real-time financial data that support transparency and better decision-making. Compared to manual methods, AIS reduce human errors and reporting delays. The urgency of AIS adoption became clear during the COVID-19 pandemic. Businesses worldwide face disruptions such as lockdowns, supply chain issues, and shifting consumer behavior, which exposed the weakness of outdated systems. AIS help companies adapt by enabling remote access to financial data, automating reports, and ensuring compliance with regulations. These capabilities allow business to maintain the operations, manage costs, and forecast cash flow more effectively during uncertainty. This study explores how AIS influence performance of various levels. First of all, individual, employee productivity and accuracy, team, such as collaboration and communications, and organizational, as strategic agility and financial resilience. The research focused on companies listed on the Amman Stock Exchange in Jordan, a region significantly impacted by the pandemic. The findings provide insights for organizations aiming to strengthen resilience and competitiveness in an increasingly volatile world.
Next, we will continue to literature and hypothesis development. This study used the Dillon and McLean model, often used to measure the success of information system. This model consists of three main factors. This first, system quality. How will the accounting information system operate, including use, speed, and reliability. This second, information quality. How accurate, relevant, and timely the information generated by the accounting information system is. This third, service quality. How will the information technology support team provide technical assistance to accounting information system users? Additionally, the author added three new factors to align with the organization context. This for process quality. how will the system support and align with existing business process. This fifth, collaboration quality. How will the system support collaboration and communication among departments or teams? This six, work group performance. The performance of the team or work group using the accounting information system. These factors were analyzed to assess their impact on individual performance and organizational performance. Okay, the next section will be explained by my friends.
Okay, next we'll look at the research hypothesis development section. This study tests 8 hypotheses to examine how different factors are related. The first hypothesis was system quality was expected to improve individual performance, but the result was rejected. That means system quality was not found to have a direct impact on performance. The second, information quality was tested to see if it improved individuals' performance, and the result was accept because good information really helps to make work easier. The third, process quality was also tested, and the result was accept since the system that fits the workflow can improve efficiency. The fourth, collaboration quality was expected to help individual performance, but the result was rejected because the teamwork collaboration did not show a direct effect in this case. The fifth, service quality was found to be accepted because the technical supports help users solve issues, so it improves individual performance. The sixth, individual performance was tested to see its impact on work group performance, and this was accepted. That means when individuals work well, then the team becomes more effective. The seventh, individual performance was also tested for its effect on organizational performance, and the result was accepted because organization consists of individuals who support each other. The eighth, finally, work group performance was tested for its impact on organizational performance, and the result was accepted. A strong team performance leads to better organizational result. Okay, for the next section will be explained by my friends.
Richard's method. In these words, we active share information. They research its inquisitive method with a question survey. One info accounting manager from conference results in the Scott stock exchange falsified. That's why analysts using fortune lights Gaussian structures, Gaussian models, fleets, same. Research and discussion. They analyze relates so they see three main factors that significant in for individual for hearts. One, information quality, accurate, correct, and timely information generated by the EHS significantly else employees for statistics. Two, for process quality, When the system puts the company workflow takes can be compressed faster and more holistic. 3. Shepherds University needs support from the entity that of support staff markets Haish odds Morse campers and reflex is thus water. There's three factors leads to a significant influence. It's is us first old system quality such as infrared, loading speed, height, and collaboration courtesy words art were not for to have a significant impact.
Next, we will continue to research findings. The study also found the individual performance significant influence work group performance. When employees effectively use the accounting information system, maximize the sessions and work efficiently, their contribution positive impact the team. High-performing individuals set a strong example and help raise overall team standards. When all team members perform well, collaboration improves, communication flows more smoothly, and the team becomes more productive and effective. This collective performance also strengthens the organization as a whole, since organizations are made up of individuals and teams. Their combined effort directs contribute to overall success, making individual performance a key driver of both team and organizational performance. Therefore, optimizing individual performance is not only beneficial on a personal or team level, but it also plays a vital role in driving organizational effectiveness and long-term success. Okay, the next section will be explained by my friends.
Okay, next, we'll continue to part 3 of the research and discussion section. Out of all the factors tested in this study, information quality turned out to be the most important when it comes to improving individual performance. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense when we think about how things work in real life. Especially in accounting, decisions really depend on the quality of the data. If the information in the system isn't clear, complete, or accurate, employees will naturally have a harder time to doing their jobs. Whether it's preparing reports, analyzing trends, or just making everyday financial decisions, they rely heavily on the data provided by the accounting information system. So if the information is outdated, inconsistent, or hard to understand, it slows everything down and increases the risk of mistake. That could mean errors in calculation, wrong interpretation in reports, or even delay in importing decision. That's why an effective accounting information system doesn't just need to function well, technically it needs to deliver the right information at the right time and in a format that users can easily work with that. It should make their jobs easier and not more complicated. So this finding highlights a really important point that the real strength of the accounting system lies in the quality of the information it provides. Even with all the latest features and designs, if the information isn't useful, the system won't truly support performance. Okay, the next section will be explained by my friends.
Research findings. Although system quality and collaboration were initially assumed to play a significant role in improving performance, the study found otherwise. Neither show a statistically significant impact. A key explanation lies in the context of COVID-19 pandemic, during which the use of accounting information system (AIS) became mandatory in many organizations. This mandatory adoption means that employees were required to use the system regardless of whether it was user-friendly or supported effective collaboration. In cases where the system was difficult to use or lacked sufficient support features, employees had no choice but to continue using it to complete their task. Similarly, even when collaboration among departments was very weak, the pressure to maintain operations forced teams to work with existing structures and limitations. The lack of flexibility left little room for system optimizations or improved coordination. As a result, factors like user satisfaction and team collaborations, typically considered key indicators of system success, did not directly improve performance outcomes during this period. Instead, performance was largely driven by the urgency to maintain business continuity under challenging conditions. This suggests that in crisis situation, traditional success drives might be some less influential than the need to comply with established protocols and technological mandates. These findings are consistent with broader research in organizational behavior, which shows that in high compliance environment, performance is often achieved not through innovations or engagement, but through enforced usage and adaptation. While AIS help ensure operational continuity, its role in enhancing user experience or fostering effective teamwork appears limited under such extraordinary circumstances.
Last slide or slide 10 is conclusion and suggestions. This study shows that the effectiveness of accounting information system or AIS depends not only on technology but more on how the system provides useful information, supports work process, and provides good technical service to its users. Information quality proved to be the most important factor influencing AIS user performance. When employees receive accurate and timely information, they can work fast and more efficiently. In addition, technical support and a system alignment with business process also help improve performance. Good individual performance strengthens team performance. And when team work effectively, the overall organization achieves better results. However, system appearance, quality, and collaboration among teams had less impact. Likely because during the pandemic, the system was mandatory, leaving users no choice. Therefore, we suggest that companies focus more on improving AIS information quality, provide training for employees, and ensure that the AIS or accounting information system optimally supports business process so that organizational goals can be achieved more effectively. That concludes our presentation today on the article entitled Assessing the Effectiveness of Accounting Information System in the Era of COVID-19 Pandemic. We hope it has provided valuable insight into the impact of COVID-19 on accounting information system. We would like to thank Mr. Vicky as the lecturer of the accounting system course and all of our fellow classmates who have taken the time to watch our presentations. Thank you so much.